Alright guys, hope everyone's doing well. So just gonna do a quick recap of my ES trade today. So today was kind of one of those days where you're sort of split in two minds. So just bear with me 1 second. So I couldn't really see much. I mean, on the quarterly, what I was kind of looking for. So the 10 a.m. candle kind of opened somewhere here. We obviously had that big sell off, so I'm looking to see if this kind of edge of this distribution here can hold. If it does hold, we sell off, and so price was like kind of trading here, and then I was waiting to see if it held. So either ideally my kind of first choice was to look for longs, second choice was to break retest, go short. So I'll just show you the daily. So I don't really use quarterly too much. I like to break it down. So if you can see here, pre-market, let's have a look, 9 o'clock. Right, so pre-market, right, we're coming to here. Now we're coming into this ledge here. So this was that edge of that sort of larger distribution, as you can see there. Oops, there you can see, right? It's that edge of that quarterly distribution that we show. So I was either looking for a retest and sort of continuation higher, or the second option was to break and then retest that area and come short, and then you would target this high volume node here, because these obviously act as price magnets. So that was kind of the logic behind it. Now obviously, so we made over here, we made high, took out, made a low, failed to make a new high. So I was kind of 60% favoring shorts, and we got a nice break to the downside. VWAP pre-market was, pre-market is pretty much here. So we had virtually nothing happening. Globex, we then got a nice breakdown in the open. Obviously, as of now, I haven't traded. I'm either waiting for a break, so come back inside this area for a long. Obviously that doesn't happen, so as soon as we break, I'm just waiting for a pullback to this area, so I can go short. So I took my shorts over here, closed them out somewhere down here. I didn't leave it till all the way there. So I'll just show you the footprint. Sorry, no, I'll show you the. Sorry, let me just go back to that VWAP. So you can see as well, you can see delta just continuing to be bear as we come into this zone, right? You can just see bearish delta all the way down. And the same over here. So we get some nice participation in the open. Let me just bring this down a little bit. So you can see some nice participation there at the open, nice selling volume coming into here. So yeah, I'm just looking for any sort of pullback to that area. Stops would have been somewhere over there. Then I trailed my stops as I'm kind of going along. I'll just show you the footprint chart. So let's have a look. Right, so you can see here, right, we broke through, no real expansion. You can see, I mean, here you get some sort of a pullback, but there's no expansion following. Low amounts of delta, again heavy selling here. So you could see these heavy sellers, and it's not absorption because you now get follow through. So now once this follow through's happened, all I'm waiting for is a pullback. I know I'm going short. So as we kind of pull back here, right, this is my entry. So you see these high delta points at the highs, huge engulfing candle, huge sell side delta, lots of delta for the sell side. You can see these missed point of controls where the point of controls holds at the highs, candles closing a lot lower. Held it still even though we had tiny bit of drawdown. So my entry was here, entry was somewhere here. My stop was like somewhere up there, so I had a tiny little bit of drawdown, and then we went all the way down So I'll just show you my entry. So I actually entered, right, I entered there, and I actually wanted to add a new contract, but I'm just getting used to this new way of trading on TradingView when it comes to adding contracts. So I tried to add one here and I accidentally closed it. Then I entered again with 2, and as you can see, so I entered somewhere there at 13s and closed out at 97. So decent sort of 15-point move. But that's all for today. Take care, guys, and see you in a few days.